Installing the Magic Dragon Kodi Addon on Kodi 21.2 Omega is a straightforward process that opens up a world of entertainment. First, launch Kodi and head to the settings by clicking the gear icon. From there, navigate to System, then Add-ons, and enable Unknown Sources. This step is crucial as it allows you to install add-ons from third-party sources. Next, return to the Settings menu and select File Manager. Click on Add Source, then choose None and enter the URL. Name it Mac and click OK. Now go back to the Kodi home screen, select Add-ons, and click on the open box icon at the top. Choose Install from Zip File, find Mac, and select the repository zip file to install it. Once that's done, go to Install from Repository, select Mac Repository, then Video Add-ons, and finally, click on the Magic Dragon. Hit Install, and within moments, it will be ready to use. Now you can dive into a vast library of movies and shows. Enjoy your streaming!